Hello guys! So a few months ago I filmed a very special car, the E46 Compact. Many of you would think that it's the worst possible looking BMW ever made. However, I have something arguably even uglier. Or is it ugly? I present to you the BMW E46 Compact. Look at these multiple headlights. It's not entirely standard. Well, it's far from standard E46 Compact. Because of all the aftermarket body panels, it does not even look bad at all. And in my opinion, it's actually one of the best looking BMWs. The bumpers, we have the extended fenders, the full deal, even the side skirts, and some epic looking wheels, AC schnitzels. The E46 Compact came from 2001 to around 2005-2006. It had quite a variety of different engines. The E46 Compact came with only one inline-six engine. There was no 2-liter variations, no 2.3. It came with 2.5 inline-six, naturally aspirated, of course. There were some variations like diesel ones, 320D. This is by far the best version you can possibly get for the E46 Compact. I'm not entirely sure what's happening outside because it's supposed to be almost spring. But as you can see, we have snow. Until it calms down a bit so we can continue filming outside, let's see what we have on the inside. It's the most interesting inside we have ever had on this channel. As you can see, we have everything you possibly need to drift. From short shifter, IRP individual racing parts, hydraulic handbrake, some type of steering wheel. Looks good. We have something that I never had in my life. We have proper racing seats or bucket seats, which means whenever you are sliding, doing action in your E46 Compact, you are as stable as possible. Oh, we even have the cup holders, 2 working cup holders. Even my E92 doesn't have such flex because only one cup holder is working at the moment. Everything is working here, so it's nice and stock. Even the radio is working, but for the obvious reasons I will not show you the sound system. We even have the sunroof, glass sunroof. This is not really a plus for sports cars or for drift builds such as this. If you have sunroof, there's extra weight on top, and the extra weight on the highest point of the car is really not ideal. It's like the worst place to have weight in any car. And I kept the best and the most ridiculous bit for the last. If you look in the back, we have this going on. We have a roll cage. Safety first. Safety first. This is probably the most expensive feature of this car. Safety first. However, the owner has forgot about the most common and basic safety features like safety belts, seat belts. As you can see, we have stock seat belts. However, there's nowhere to plug them in. Yeah. The handbrake could work. I don't know. I don't think there's much point of the roll cage if you don't have actual seatbelts. Maybe there is. Maybe at least if you flip the car, the roof won't crush you, but you'll probably fly out the window before you even flip the car. So the only thing this car is really missing... Oh, actually found something. It's missing this, the 6-point harness, or whatever it's called. So just one more thing to do in this car and it's gonna be fully ready. And that's pretty much everything you need to have fun and drift with E46 Compact. The roll cage is not really necessary in my opinion, but you can never be too safe. Of course, because of the roll cage is not the most practical car. We have a rear seat delete. However, it looks like there's more space than you would have in the normal E46 Compact. Because of the seats completely removed, we have a good amount of space going on in the back. You could fit a fridge probably, or sofa maybe. That's a plus. That's a nice feature to have. So in case you are looking for practical car, this is exactly what you need. E46 Compact with roll cage. Let's continue with the mods. This car is definitely the most modified car we had so far on the channel. We have BC coilovers, probably second best mod in this car. We even have angle kit, Manji angle kit, I think something like that. Jumanji angle kit. All right, let's see where the magic happens. The engine bay. There we go. This thing is heavy. I think this car would benefit with fiberglass or maybe carbon fiber hood. The M54 B25 engine is reliable, burns a small amount of oil. That's common for BMW engines. Just in case you need some extra oil, the owner is always ready. 10W60. Proper drift car engine oil. As far as I can see, everything is pretty much standard. Besides this oil catch can, everything on this car is spot on. From the ugliest possible BMW, somebody did a really good job into making this car to look what it looks like right now. And we shall see how it sounds just in a second. Drivers, start your engines. Are you ready? Oh yes. Oh yes. Woo! Okay. 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 Wait for it. And 54 power! Now that's what I'm talking about. One of the best sounding inline 6 engines ever made. Now let me show you what do we have going in the boot. I shall name it Strawberry. Ta-da! The boot is also heavy. I feel like this car could lose a lot of weight. With the fiberglass boot and the bonnet, you could lose a good amount of weight. What do we have in here? Well, we have nothing. We have nothing but the practicality of this. Oh my god. King in a castle, king in a castle, I have a chair, very nice. Imagine, drive this to the lake, park up, maybe a few pillows, a beer, sipping, chilling. Life is good, bro. I mean, you could probably even sleep in this thing. Maybe it is time, and just perfect time, to buy something like E46 Compact before I release this video and the price is gonna go to the moon. Maybe I need to get one myself. Just in case you are wondering how the angle kit looks like, well, this is what it looks like. We have almost full lock, almost 90 degrees angle. That means we can go sideways at 90 degrees angle. Look how convenient this is. You see the coilovers? The BC coilovers? We can actually adjust the coilovers without taking the wheel off. Where have you seen such useful feature before? Now, because this is welded diff, it's not a perfect daily. It's really hard to do sharp turns or slow turns or just in general parking in the parking lot. Let me show you what happens if you try to do a quick slow U-turn with welded diff. Here we go. There we go, first gear. Turn the wheel fully and let's go. Cut the camera! Wheel fully to the left and let's go. No. Nice and easy. My bad. You see? The wheels are hopping. The game lagged. Nice and easy. There we go. Reverse. Anyways, you get the point, That's how it is when you have a welded diff. Let's go for short test drive. Safety first, of course. 100% legal. Cool. First gear. Nice and easy. Yeah, nice and easy. The welded diff is not even that bad. I don't really see any difference compared with open diff or limited slip diff. It's pretty much the same thing. Let's see if the handbrake works. Ah! Handbrake works. Does the turn signal work? It does. Just enough power to have fun in these conditions. Maybe 200 horsepower. For dry, it's like the perfect spot. Not too much, but not too little. Just the perfect amount. The amount that you need to work with. Bro, I can't see anything. I think the diff is cooked, so we will just park this thing before we break it, so we don't have to pay for the damages. You think I broke the diff? Those diff noises gave me flashbacks from the previous E46 compact that I broke and had to fix and pay crazy amount of money. I feel like it's perfect time to park it up. Do you think that I actually broke it? Yes? Delete it.